Alright, what is going on, guys? So today we got some stuff that we're going to be doing today. First thing, right now we're going to be loading up the 15-inch drag wheels. I'm going to be trading my 28-inch tall Mickey Thompson ET drags bias ply for a set of 26-inch because obviously the Cobra was struggling a little bit with such a tall tire as current setup. So that's what we're going to be switching to. So let's go head over to Boulevard Tire. Jason's going to help us out with that. So we're gonna get these loaded up in the truck and we'll be good to go. All right, we got the 28-inch tires loaded up. We're gonna meet this guy down there. You know, the truck has been very nice to have. I absolutely love the exhaust that we have on it. It's perfect. We can hear it. It's not crazy loud inside the truck. The truck is just a really nice vehicle to have in combination with the cars. It's always reliable, it's always there. I wish the gas mileage was a little bit better, but we're gonna be tuning the truck pretty soon, putting a cold air intake on it. We might even take it to the track. You guys should know by now, we had to go get some coffee. We're gonna pull up to Boulevard Tire over here. As you guys know, this is the only place I pretty much go for tires. I don't have to worry about them scratching my wheels or anything like that. They do a good job over there. We also have our good friend over there who likes to dance around on camera. And yeah, so let's go head over there. Alright, so we're going to be switching from the 28-inch tall tire to the 26-inch that we have here. So these are 26 by 10 by 15. They're going to be a little bit better to use than these, so we can get off the line a little bit quicker. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. Unfortunately, the tires are not going to work out for the Cobra. It turns out that those 26-inch tires are all cracked. So basically, I'm just going to dismount the 28-inch tires and wait for someone to trade me a set of 26 or 27-inch tire. I would, you know, sell them, but you know, I really just want to trade. I don't really want to put any extra money out onto, you know, getting a different set of tires. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But unfortunately, that set is not going to work out. So I'm just going to dismount the 28s because as you guys commented, and I knew this very well, the 28-inch is too tall for my current gear and power setup for the Cobra. So I want to go to a 27-inch because it will be a nice middle ground for when I go future to 700 wheel horsepower with E85, as well as it'll be good middle ground right now with the current power level. The 26 will be perfect for the current power level, but then it'll be a little bit not perfect for the future power level. So the 27-inch tire is really gonna be perfect. The other thing is, if I ended up racing it a lot on the setup that it currently is, I might just end up using that tire up anyways and having to buy new ones anyways. So I'm kind of hit or miss on what to do there, but I guess we'll figure it out. We also just got a package in here, and this is for Ashley's S550. We have some really cool things happening for Ashley's S550 to get it ready for drag racing. As we stated before, this thing will not be going out to the track without a new set of half shafts. And we also just got a package in from UPR, so let's check it out. Alright, so I went ahead and just opened this up slightly, but this is the first time I'm gonna be seeing what's in here. So we should have a nice set of UPR diff lockout bushings here, which we'll take a look at those. And then we should have some fun stuff in here and in here, or maybe this might just be some other stuff. But let me go ahead and open these up so you guys can see. Alright, so in the small box we have the UPR 2015 to 2018 Mustang IRS bushing lockout kit. This is what is highly recommended both by UPR and across the board for what to do to basically eliminate that wheel hop, any play, and make sure your car, both for drag racing and road course, it's really going to take the slop out of the car. We're going to be installing this at the same time as the new half shafts, getting Ashley's car ready for the track. So these are going to be a real good help. UPR always has these nice high quality products. As you guys know, we have full suspension. We're running on Turdzilla, which is just hanging out over there. We have a full UPR K-member coilovers from Viking, upper and lower control arms, all that good stuff. They make some really good stuff, and we're going to be doing this stuff on the S550. Alright, and the second thing we have from UPR is the 2015 to 2016, although I believe this fits up to 17, it might even fit 18. I'm not too sure, but it definitely fits 2015 to 17, and this is the IRS Vertical Link. This is intended to help take out some wheel hop, take out some of all that slack in the IRS. It's a really nice unit here. It looks like we have some poly bushings here to really take the slack out of, you know, everything that the IRS has, you know, with all the wheel hop. So between the bushings, these half shafts, and drive shaft, the car is going to be ready to go for the drag strip. And we're going to be doing this for NMRA Bradenton, which is March 3rd. So we're going to be taking the car down there, and this thing's going to be running, hopefully, I have no doubt that the car can go at least 10s on the stock Whipple tune, which is making about 630 wheel horsepower. Who knows, we might up the tune. I want to see what the car will do on the Whipple tune, and then we're going to upgrade to some sort of aftermarket tuning. We might need a fuel pump booster, but that is what we're going to be doing on Ashley's Whipple S550. So now what I'd like to do is pull Ashley's car out of the garage. Let's get it washed because it has been washed since the track day. I know on camera it probably looks more than sufficient, but we're going to get it out there and give it a wash because it is actually filthy. You guys just can't see it on camera. Sorry for the lack of time lapse. I actually just finished washing the car. I was gonna time lapse the whole thing, and then I kind of got into it and realized the car was a lot dirtier than I thought. I ended up clay barring all the rear because it had a tar buildup all around it. The car is significantly cleaner now, and I am way happier with it. I spent about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, just washing the car, clay barring, and washing off, getting all the bugs off of it, and getting it to where it is right now, which of course on camera it probably looks the same, but in person this is night and day difference. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. We're gonna hop in the Whipple S550 and head over to the Wednesday night meet. Hopping. Alright, so we're out at the meet. A bunch of cars out here. Quinn's S550. We have another S550 rolling up. I drove Ashley's car, as you guys know. S550 squad. Where's your S550?
I don't know, man. Oh, it's over there. It's a 5.0 swap.
You wish. Yeah, you wish you were Jonathan Harder.
No, mine's still running. We can.
Oh, it looks like Quinn did some quad tip action.
Hey, the tips are messed up, all right?
Let's see some exhaust revving. They're just sticking out a little bit, but
the outside ones need to be pushed in. That's all.
But it's all good. Sounds like Ashley's. Yep, sounds just like Ashley's.
Yeah, but he's got a Whipple behind it.
Yeah.
Nice, right? Isn't the same thing on yours that's done to Ashley's? Yep.
Lewis picked up these drag wheels for his car. They look awesome. Here's the Pro Charger over there. Super cool. We still need to do the review on this. That'll be super cool. And there's the twin turbo GT350 and 2 more S550s. Nick made it out, brought his truck. This car will be done pretty soon.
That is not a Dodge.
Yeah, in case you didn't know, that over there is a Dodge.
That is not a Dodge.
I don't know. You know, I have a good feeling that it might be a Dodge.
Maybe.
It might be a Dodge. I mean, it has some Mopar on the front. I don't know what that means though.
I'm like 2000.
Looks like a boat.
Alright, well, we're gonna roll out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know not too much went on, but hope you guys are really excited for Ashley's car, again, some suspension goodies here, and getting ready for NMRA Bradenton for next week. So guys, make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. We'll see you guys next time.